Well, good morning, you two. Oh, it's dark in here. And we're yellow. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. I'm getting there. We're still recording. But I'm about to get ready. I wanted to make some coffee, but actually this came yesterday from Teeny Blends. So we're actually going to open this and probably use whatever's in here because there's got to be something delicious. And it's got to have caffeine. Hopefully. Watch it be like skincare or something. I'll be a little sad. That's so cute. I mean, I saw this advertised on the website, but I thought it would be a similar size to this guy. Well, I'm excited to try matcha. And I also got Teeny Golden. I like that they're in little tea bags, so I don't have to use my like little, kind of looks like a leaf, and then like a little ball. You put like the tea leaves in that, like, yeah, anyways. But I guess we're gonna make some matcha. I don't know how to make matcha. Although I see Catherine Manning do it all the time, so yeah. Oh, it's lemon flavored. Wow, unfortunately I didn't charge my battery, so you guys might actually die. So I'm just gonna heat up some water really quick. I'm gonna charge the battery for a minute and then I'll catch you guys for some quick matcha making. You know, this is how this morning is going. Thank you. Oops, now my cord just went in my hot water. My battery's gonna die again and I got nothing. I'm gonna really quickly just open this and charge my battery and get ready. You guys, we're gonna come with me while I get ready because today we are going to Kevin's cousin's house for Christmas. I'm not going to bring you guys along because I don't mind putting my life on the internet, but I'm going to respect their privacy and I'm not even going to ask. And so, yeah. That means that I am not cooking tonight. So honestly, this vlog might just be a light Lacquer unboxing. It was the teeny unboxing / try on. It wasn't going to be a get ready. I'm just staring at my flashing battery while trying to open this. How do I, without getting matcha everywhere? Do I put it in here? Would it be safe to put it? I mean, it's gonna get everywhere. Who invented this idea? How about we just kind of, I'm just gonna put some in here. It says like a teaspoon. That was probably about a 1/4. I just didn't want it to get everywhere. It smells like tea. It smells good. So I'm making a matcha latte, so I think that's enough. And then you're supposed to add milk. Hot milk. Unless you're making an iced one. But it's like 20 degrees outside, so I don't think I had enough matcha, guys. But probably way too hot to actually try. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that's hot. But that is actually pretty good. I will catch you guys back in, a little bit when the battery is charged. So I completely forgot to tell you guys, if you do want to try out the matcha or anything from Teamy Blends, you can save 30% by using my code Ersin30. You guys are going to come with me while I get ready, and if you die, you die. That's my nutshell. And we have a cat that's on my bath mat. Again, another day. Alright, so we're about to eat a quick lunch, and then I have to finish wrapping their presents, and then we're about to head over there. And I did not finish day 17 yet. Oops. So, I got a long night ahead of me then. So there's still no Vlogmas up today. My bad, my bad. Yeah, my bad, you guys, my bad. But you guys will come with me while I wrap presents. So, oh, fancy that. I can, oh, that's so cool now. But look at my cute girl. Alright, we are about to wrap some presents. So, where can I set you guys? I think Kevin already wrapped Christmas present, which is his cousin's husband. Yeah. I gotta go get wrapping paper. You guys wanna come with? We have, oh no, what's easily available? Ooh, this one's always pretty. Oh, we get the red one. I like the red one. The red one is cute too. Oops. That one's not open. I don't want to open a new one. Or the little Santas. With the little penguins. Oh man. We'll go with this one. It's because it is more of adultish, right? Adultish? Adultish. We're gonna go with it. It. Come on! You dirty little bipple, you! Like, I didn't do anything, man. I didn't do anything. Well, we're gonna tell Tina you tried to open her present. Yeah. Yep. Don't blame it all on the Rosie. I'm trying to save the wrapping paper because I'm cheap. I don't want to use a whole new one because somebody tried to open not their present. There. You can barely even tell she ripped it. Alright, so really quick, we are going to do the Let's Lacquer Day. Oh, it is 10. Okay, we did do 9. 9 must have been that pinkish color then. I see, I don't even remember. But let's do 10 really quick. So we have 3 more days. Well, technically 2 now. Cheating, I cheated, I kind of salt tomorrow, I know I'm mad. But today, ooh, that's really pretty. Please look like that on the nail. It is called Snow Boy. And it looks like, it's like a silver base, but it's got like green and blue almost shift to it. Let's see. I don't know how to move you guys, because that works, right? Yeah, unfortunately, I can already tell. I'm going to try in a different light here when I'm done painting them. But I can already tell the camera's not going to pick it up at all. So I'm just going to paint my nails really quick and... yeah, little nail polish montage. Montage? So even in this light, there you go, it's a little bit better. You can kind of see the gold in it. It's almost like iridescent, right? Focus. Oh, that works. Wait, focus this way. Alright, I'm done. So, like I said, I don't think... let's see if I can get it to focus. What if I zoom maybe? I don't know. There you go, you can kind of see it. It kind of just looks silver. But it is really actually, it's got like gold and green and blue little sparkles in it. I like it. But we're about to leave to go to his cousin's for Christmas, so I'm going to wrap this vlog up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas Day 20. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Vlogmases or you want to binge watch some of my content and just hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!